Hello viewers, I must say I'm super excited to be with you all. Looking at me, I'm gorgeously dressed. I want you to know my lovely dress is from DDJ and Jane Boutique. My watch, my ring, my shoes, and also my earrings. They are all from DDJ and Jane Boutique. They are into training people in makeup and catering services. You can hook them up on 024-446-0985. You can WhatsApp them on the same number as well. My name is Lady Pastor Mrs. Frida Fosuhene, the host for Glorious Maidens program and also the founder of Frida Fosuhene Ministries. Let's quickly dive into what I have for you today. All over the world, there is something similar that goes around in our daily lives. To be precise, in our schools, communities, organizations, and what have you, this act has entered our churches and is causing a lot of damages. Let the nut out of the shell. People gather and discuss other people and tag them of what they know nothing about. Perhaps something that happened out of coincidence, possibly something that the fellow knew nothing about. Yet you see people talking and tagging him or her as if there is an evidence against the person. Something that is well framed up, which when you decide to go to the basis of it, you won't find where it started from, because the one who started it is also telling you, I heard it from somewhere. Devil incarnate plot that can destroy someone's life forever, and if care is not taken, the person won't be able to lift his or her head again or can never stand on their feet. This is going on everywhere in our society. Yeah, there are some people around us in our churches, homes, workplaces who are conspirators, which are just called or contracted to knock down people who are trying to rise in so many ways. Some are just envious, and with their envy, they pull down people with things they know nothing about. All they do is to get hold of a story which can be easily accepted, a well-calculated one that is related to what has happened or something that has happened in the person's life before. This will get people that are close to put one or two together and believe to start discussing the fellow. With this calculated plot, they get to one or two people who can spread news like wildfire and deliver. People that are also newscasters, waiting for something to fall for them to carry out their job, whether true or false. They don't care about it. Their interest is to let people believe and bring you down to their level because they know they are failures themselves. All they go about saying is, hey, haven't you heard? You see that girl? She killed though. That boy has stolen. That's why he is here at home. These ones say they are courting, but have been sleeping together. She even got pregnant. You don't know? She is dating the pastor, and so on and so forth. Tagging people with what they know nothing about to tarnish their image. I mean, to tear them apart. Enough is enough. They say what? If they have stolen, or if you think they have killed, take them to the police. For you to know it's a lie, nothing of such has happened. The person walks around freely. But meanwhile, they get some feeble-minded people to support them, as in talking so much about it. And if the person is not so much grounded in faith, some take their lives, some leave the church, some life gets so destroyed beyond repair. Some also harbor fear in them, making it so difficult to rise again. Beloved in Christ, my brothers and sisters, if you are part of these conspiracies, stop it, or else you will face judgment. The soul there is for Christ. Believe you me, if he or she leave church because of your nonsense hearsays, remember you are in trouble. If you touch someone to have sleepless nights and get stressed out and die, remember you won't go scot-free. What amazes me is that sometimes it comes from the top. The people we claim they are well matured, you see them labeling and calling people all kinds of names they are not sure of, but think they are. If even the person is a witch, that is why they are in church. Help them to get their problems solved, or better shut up in order not to pull curses on you. Wow, this brings us to the end of this important submission. My name remains Lady Pastor Mrs. Frida Fosuhene. Till I come your way on this same platform next week. Remain blessed, stay out of trouble, and keep spreading the good news. Bye.